when it calls, but I shall be your witness through it all. And tears break in craters and in lakes, but I shall be your witness through it all. And there is hope, and then there is thought. First take flight, then get caught, and no one knows, and no one sees the poet forest for the poetry. Love makes its table with mistakes, but I shall be your witness through it all. Yes, and love makes its table with mistakes, but I shall be your witness through it all. Yes, and I shall be your witness.
We forget the stars during the day, they burn as bright. Yellow moon is wooing someone else's love tonight, and I am sad when I'm not other things, and I am sad when I'm not other things. Nab some lightning bugs in a jar, swim to the bottom of the sea, then find where God hides babies' names until their mothers need them. And I am sad when I'm not other things. I am sad when I'm not other things. And I'll sew my name into the hem of your shirt. cried, you heard me, but acted like you didn't. How I wish I was a firefly or a star just for that minute. And I'm sad when I'm not other things. And I am sad when I'm not other
all things I long to hear, and whisper in snowfall or in dandelions through the drumming of the years. I'll be the memory, you'll be the face, not a word out of place. Okay, kids, if you like and use or find these videos interesting, educational, informative, or maybe just entertaining because you're up late at night, we'd love to have you support us. There's a few ways you can do that. One is click the subscribe button below. That helps YouTube know what we're doing and that we're serious about this. Also, you can hit that bell icon, which tells you when the next videos are coming out. We're gonna try and get at least one out a week now that we're up and running here. Also, a good way to support us is become a patron over at our Patreon account, and again, there's a link below for that. Patreon's a cool way that you can sign up and give, you know, $5 a month or $10 or whatever you feel is worth it. If you're using these videos to actually build a guitar and find it interesting and fun, please support us through Patreon. That's you know, I wish I could do this completely for free, but it takes money and time away from my other regular job. So, you know, it's a big undertaking, and any support you could send this way is great. So, you know, it's all been very fun so far for me, and I hope you guys are having fun at this as well, and we greatly appreciate all your support, so thanks.